Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing some free Android app development courses. By taking these courses, you can learn how to build your own Android application. You might be using a lot of applications in your mobile phones, like Link Music or any game applications you might be using. So you can learn how to build an application like that on your own. So before we see the free courses, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And if you want to buy any course in Coursera, just go with their monthly plan because with that you can save a lot of money and you can get unlimited certificates. I'll just show the comparison now. So here it is. So if you buy any individual course or individual certification program in Coursera, it will cost somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with their monthly plan, you can get access to all the 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certifications, everything, entire platform at 4,352 for 1 month. So if you plan accordingly, you can complete everything in 1 month by taking the 1 month plan offer, and you can earn unlimited certificates. If you plan to take 100 programs, you can still get 100 certificates after completing it, and you can learn job relevant skills and tools with 100 plus applied projects. And there are more than 15 professional certification programs in Coursera, including Google certifications, Facebook certifications, and a lot more. You will also get access to all those professional certifications as well. So if you have an idea of buying any course in Coursera, go with the monthly plan because with that you can save a lot of money. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just take this monthly plan offer by using the link I have given below. So I hope you'll find this useful. So let us see the Android app development free courses now. So the first one here is build your first Android app. This course is offered by Central Superlek and it is hosted on Coursera platform. This is a project centered course and it is free only for a limited time. You can see that here offer is subject to change and valid through June 30, 2021. So you make sure that you are taking this course before June 30, 2021 to learn about Android application development. And more than 3 lakh students have already taken this course and it has a good rating of 4.2, and approximately 22 hours of content is available for you in this course. That's what they have given here as approx 22 hours to complete, and it's a online course. You do not have to wait for anything. You just it's a self-paced course. Actually, you can complete it whenever you want. And here they have given about the instructors. Both of them are actually associate professors and Central Superlek. It is the university which is offering this course, and this is one of the topmost university in France. If you search about that university, you can learn about that. And here is the complete syllabus for this course. So actually there are 4 weeks. They have divided into 4 weeks, but you can complete it within 3 days or 1 week. You just have 22 hours of content. And then on week one, you will get some introduction to Android app development, and then you will learn how to create the storyboard for your application, and then you will learn about the tools and you will create hello world application. And after that, you will build your first interactive application, and then you will work towards your application step by step, and finally you will transform your storyboard into actual application. So these are the things that will be covered in this course. They will teach you everything, every single part that you will ever need to learn to build your own Android application. It's a project centered course. So at the end of this course, you will have your own Android application. So make use of it if you really want to learn about Android application development. So now we'll see how to enroll in this course. And before that, I just want to tell you a few things here. Do not go to Coursera and search for this course directly, because if you do that, you will not see this promotional banner. Only if you see this promotional banner, you can enroll in this course for free and complete it and get your free certificate. If you do not see this promotional banner, you can't enroll in it for free. So make sure you are just following the steps which I am going to show you now. So what you had to do was, I have given you a link in description. Click on that link. You'll be landing on this page. Coursera free courses for learners in India with certificate. So if you just scroll down, you can see more free courses here, which are going to help you in developing job relevant skills. And at number 6, you can see the course which we saw now, build your first Android app, project centered course. So click on it and you'll be directed to the course page. And if you want to take other courses, you can just take a look at that. And even if you want, you can enroll in it. There are some courses offered by Google and Amazon, like migrating to Google Cloud, AWS Machine Learning, Introduction to Cloud Identity. And there are some personal and professional development courses. And again, you have some public health courses. A lot of courses are available for you for free. But in this video, we'll be concentrating only on this build your first Android app course. So click on that link and you'll be landing on this particular course page here. And now first we need an account in Coursera to take this course for free. So for that, just click on this join for free button and you will see a pop-up like this. So just give your details and click on this join for free button to create your account in Coursera, or else you can use your Google or Facebook account to create your account in Coursera. And if you already have account, you just have to click on this login and give your details and log into your account. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. You can see that here, answersQ. So once you log in and come to this course page, wait for a few seconds. Then this promotional banner will appear. And then what you have to do is just click on this enroll for free button. And then you will see a pop-up like this. Purchase course price will be given as 0. So you do not have to pay for the certificate. It's absolutely free. You can complete the course and get your certificate for free. And remember that this offer is valid only until June 30, 2021. So what you have to do is just click on this go to course button and you will be automatically enrolled in this course. And then after completing the assignments and quizzes, whatever is available in that particular course, you have to complete everything and then you can claim your free certificate for this course. So make sure you are taking this course for free before this offer expires. Here they have given it. Let me highlight it once again. So take it as soon as possible. So this is one free course which is available in Coursera for a limited time. Now I'll be showing you some free courses which are actually offered by Google for Android app development. Here it is. I'll again give you this link in description. These are some free Android application development courses offered by Google themselves. So here you have different courses like Android basics in Kotlin, build your first Android app in Java, Jetpack Compose, and you have use core routines in common Android use cases course, advanced Android and Kotlin course, Kotlin bootcamp for programmers, Kotlin for Java developers, Android developer fundamentals, advanced Android development, Android room with a view, background work with work manager. So there are 11 courses which are actually available for free and it's offered by Google directly. And what you have to do is just click on this enroll for free button and you will be directed to the course page like this. So here it is loading. Wait for a few seconds and then you will see the course. So here it is. All you need is just a Google account. You can just straight away enroll in and take these courses and learn about Android app development directly from Google developers platform. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And recently we have updated a post on 5 best web development courses on Udemy. If you want, you can also check out that. I hope you'll find that useful. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.